Hi everyone, I'm Rick Slark and welcome to the framework we call product mix, the assortment of products and services. The framework product mix shows 5 product categories that might be part of the company's product portfolio: introductory products, core products, add-on products, flagship products, and packaged solutions. The categories are pictured as a funnel to inspire building a product portfolio with introductory products and services, which can form a path for clients to buy more high-end products. A key point of this framework is that the company's high-end products might help sell middle-level products that may seem more attractive and affordable in light of the most professional or luxurious products or services. Here are a few topics for discussion. Does your company have the right product portfolio that matches the needs of your customers? Would you attract more customers if the product range was expanded by creating more variant in the core products? Might a larger product portfolio contribute to a larger sales to existing customers? And is it possible to create add-ons that might increase the purchases from interested customers? As you consider the framework product mix, here's a few decisions you may have to make. Number 1, addition of new product variations. Should you add new variations of existing products as part of the product assortment? Number 2, addition of new product categories. Should you create or sell a new product category as part of the product assortment? Number 3, the product portfolio trimming. Should you reduce the current product portfolio and focus on fewer products? If you'd like more information on the framework product mix, reach out at rick@slarkconsultinggroup.com.